Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Tapo app and restore smart plug offline mode. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Tapo app, first, locate the Tapo icon on your device's home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the Tapo app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall. Confirm the action when prompted to remove the app from your device. Once the app is uninstalled, you can proceed to restore your smart plug to offline mode. Begin by unplugging your smart plug from the power outlet. Wait for about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Once plugged in, the smart plug will enter setup mode, indicated by a flashing LED light. Take note of the current flashing pattern, as it is essential for the next steps. Next, open the Tapo app again if you have it installed or reinstall it if necessary. However, if you want to bypass the app entirely, you can continue with offline mode. To do this, hold the reset button on the smart plug for around 5 seconds. Release the button when the LED starts flashing rapidly. This indicates that the smart plug is now in offline mode. You can now use the smart plug without the app if desired. If you wish to reconnect the smart plug, simply follow the on-screen instructions in the Tapo app. This process will allow you to control the smart plug remotely once again. You're now finished with uninstalling the Tapo app and restoring the smart plug to offline mode. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.